All right, all right, all right. All right, everybody. This is Jeremy Wilson, the Forex trader. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for your entertainment. No, just playing. Uh, Today, I want to do a special video on a ninja strategy that I use, and it works for every trading pair, every market, the stock market, option market, Forex market, crypto market. It is what I call my ninja strategy number 2. All right. So for many of traders, we know that nothing goes up all the way and down all the way, that the market moves in what's called waves. And most people know about the Elliott wave, 3 up, 2 down, and then the extension. What I want to talk about, what I use is what's called Fibonacci's. Now, before I go any further, I just need to do a quick disclaimer. So remember, trading foreign exchange, cryptocurrencies, options using margin carries a high level of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before deciding to invest in foreign exchange, in cryptocurrencies, in option trading, you should carefully consider your investment objectives, level of experience, and risk appetite. The possibility exists that you could sustain a loss of some or all of your initial investment, and therefore you should not invest money that you cannot afford to lose. It's pretty simple, guys. You should be aware of all the risks associated in Forex market, cryptocurrency, and option trading, and seek advice from an independent financial advisor if you have any doubts. Any statements regarding income, whether expressed or implied, do not represent a guarantee. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to what you might see in this video. Any opinions, news research, analysis, or other information contained in this video is provided as general market commentary and is for education purposes only and do not constitute investment advice or a solicitation to buy or sell any cryptocurrencies from me, any Forex signals from me, or any options trading. The Forex trader, me, Jeremy Wilson, will not accept the liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation, any loss of profit which may arise directly or indirectly from use or reliance on such information. All right, now we got that out the way, let's get into it. So what we were talking about was using Fibonacci. So Fibonacci really is in all things. So what it is, and I will show you, I'm going to share my screen with you. If you give me a second. What you'll notice here, share screen. So this is XRP and BTC. So we're in the crypto space, guys. So what I'm showing you is an account that I don't even use. And oh, I still have some money here. So, you know, awesome. So I got a little bit of BTC left in here. So if I wanted to take a trade, I want to show you how Fibonacci works. So right here, you have your A. And this is the beginning of a downtrend. So you see it goes down, and that's your A, right here to your B. Then it goes up to your C, or this is called the consolidation zone, before it retraces, before it makes its extension to the D. All right? So A, B, C, D extension. And that is a cycle of Fibonacci. Then it continues and cycles. So let's look at this and let's go to the Forex market. I want to show you that it really, and the awesome thing about this is that, here, let me do this before we move from this one. Let's go to a lower time zone, because this works on the daily, right? Which we can see from the daily. You can start here, and you can really bring a Fibonacci over here. So A, B, C, and D extension. A, B, C, D. Then you can do it again. And you start here, A, B, A, B, C, D extension. So you can see how that works even on a daily chart. Let's go to a lower chart. Let's go to the 15-minute, which I don't trade in. You can see why, because this thing is jumbled up, ridiculous. But let's see if we can find one on the 15-minute. All right, I like this. So we can start here, and we can go, well, we'll start here. It would go up, A, B, C to the D extension. A, B, C to the D extension, right? And now we're in consolidation right here. But it works literally on every time zone and everything. So now we're going to go to, let's see, Aussie USD. Let's do that. And again, this is Prime XBT. I use this from time to time. Well, I used to when I wanted to trade Bitcoin on margin. But guys, because it gave me 100 times trading, but it was volatile. It's not a good look. Now, so we'll do this one here. So let's go and let's set some arrows. So right here we have our A. This is the start. Let's go to another arrow. B. A, B, C. And the D extension would be here. So go here and a drawing. A, B, C to the D. And then you start over. A, B, C, D. I mean, this works. And then once it breaks the initial A, then it becomes a downtrend. So right now, it's still in the uptrend. So that's on the hour, but we can, again, do this on the daily. And what I like about this is that when you do it on the daily, you really can understand where you are, right? So on the daily, it looks like it could still be in a downtrend because it hasn't broken past the B. So this form is still in place, but I would just still look at the up. So let's start here. A, up, B, right? C to the D extension. You see that? Then you can start it again. A, move this. B, and now we're still waiting. It's in consolidation. We're waiting for it to go to the D extension. Pretty simple, guys. And the reason I like this is because once you know the direction, and oh, let me just add something for you guys that might be super cool. You might appreciate it, you might not. But you can also go here, put a trend line. Oops. Let's start. My trend line at? Let's see. I'll do this again. Trend line here. Well, and you can see the trend. So you can even do a channel here. You can see that's not breaking the channel. And actually, I want to start. I want to do that one more time. Let's do the trend line. Let's start with trend line right here. And bring it up. So on this, you can see if you're trading this, you can see the trend line. So you see that it's up. It keeps on bouncing. You get A, B, C, D, you know, A, B, C, and we're just looking for it to go to the D extension. So this even helps when you're trading. So you can use your trend line, but you can use your Fibonacci. So I'm going to go here and so that's just a quick video on how to use Fibonacci's to recognize a pattern and how to trade them. So it really is in everything. Now, the way that I start my trading day, when I'm looking for a trade, I look for first the daily, because I think the daily gives you the direction. I think the daily actually controls the smaller time frames. So whatever it's doing in the day, it's going to show up in the 4 hour, in the hour, and the 15 minutes. So I look at where I am in my Fibonacci sequence in my daily chart. Am I in a retracement zone or am I in an extension? Then I go to my 4 hour and I look to see the same thing. My 4 hour can be showing me that I'm in the retracement part of my 4 hour chart. Okay. And then in my hour, it might show me something else. If I see that it's not aligned in all the charts, then I just won't trade that pair because it just doesn't make sense because there's conflict. So there might be whippy-lashy in the hour chart where it is clear and direct in the daily. So that's just how I start my trading day when I'm using Fibonacci's. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it explains how you can use Fibonacci's when trading and really the value of understanding where you are in the scheme of things. This is Jeremy Wilson, your Forex trader. Have a good one.